Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Solution Mark here. This is top of the list of my favorite RC airplanes, OMP Hobby T720 RC Glider, and today is really windy day. I just flew OMP Hobby S720 aerobatics plane. Man, this thing is also really amazing, and the way it behaves. Right now I have taken off the wings, but do check out the video of OMP Hobby S720 aerobatics plane. Ooh, it's getting even more windy now. So, here we go. I stopped. I'm not going any forward. I stopped. And what an amazing stabilization system, man. It is just hovering there. And I will try to get backward. Hold on, I will try to fly backward. So you can see, have you ever flown an RC plane backward or not? Oh man, this wind is really slapping it around. And basically, instead of going forward, I am going backward. Hold on, I will dive and bring it forward. That is the benefit of 4-channel. You can control all the aspects of the flight right here. Ooh, what a superb flight control system it is, man. The way the wind is basically slapping it around, and the way it's getting the lift right here. Stopped at one point, just climbing up. See? Isn't it beautiful, man? It's just climbing up at one point. Look at the altitude it got suddenly. Oh, sweet, man. Okay, I'll put it in the spirals. Ooh. Man, how the wind is slapping it around. Now I'm just gliding, okay? Hold on, I'll just glide here with very little throttle and bring it forward. It does have very aerodynamic design and enough power to push forward against these winds. See, I can actually bring it forward. No worries there. And now we are back to hovering here, people. This is the point it will get lift very quickly. Look. That shows the amazing gliding profile this plane has and all the aerodynamics of the glider. See how beautiful the stabilization is, holding it at its place stable while it flies backwards slowly and picks up altitude as well. Superb, man, really superb. I will dive again and bring it closer to me. Look how the gusts are slapping it around. Okay, this is the place it should get lift again. Stopped, yes. Just control the rudder and throttle. And here it goes. Here it goes. More wind is coming and it's picking up lift. Zero throttle, some throttle. With zero throttle is just going backward, man. The amount of fun I'm having right now is indescribable, people. I simply am in love with this glider. The way it's fighting against all those gusts, the way it holds position, say, Oh man, I simply love you, T720 and OMP Hobby, for making this amazing glider. No wonder it took the first place on my most favorite RC planes list. I told you the amount of fun I'm having with T720. I don't want to stop flying it. This is absolutely a charming glider. Total fun. This is what you call total RC flying fun. No matter what kind of winds, it never disappoints you. Hey, don't fly backwards. Come on closer to me. Almost landed on my head, actually. Time to land, man. The wind is getting more and more. I mean, the glider is still handling it, but I don't want to lose it at certain point. So I'm just gonna land it and call it a day. Hey, you don't want to land? This one just wants to glide. Sweet, man. Let's do another approach. This approach failed. We'll do another approach for landing. This time we'll use elevator to point the nose down. Sweet landing. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.